Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. If you're watching this, it would be May 29th, Monday, and we're going to do our Magickal Mask Monday, and I'm going to pull actually 3 Oracle cards this week for the week of May 29th, from Monday to Monday. So if you tuned in, maybe you were meant to hear the messages of the cards. I'm going to be using the Aloe, Soothing Aloe Sheet Mask by Glam Up. If I can get it apart. I hope everybody's having a wonderful week. The beginning to a wonderful week. We'll see what the cards say, right? Oh my goodness, this is so wet. It's aloe, and it says soothing. Although it's stressing me out. Okay. This is going to be cold. Oh my gosh, is that cold? I should have warmed it up, but oh, cold, cold, cold. Feels nice though. Once it's on. Oh, tissue. I hope everybody's doing well. We're right at the end of May. Heading into summer. Seems like once summer hits, the time just flies. And the countdown to Halloween begins, right? The day after Halloween. Alright, so the mask is on. It says 20 to 30 minutes. I won't keep you all that long. Alright, let's get started. We are in a waxing gibbous moon this week, which is right before the full moon. I forget when the full moon is. So we are going to be using the Sacred Forest Oracle cards, as usual. The Moonology Oracle cards. And I added in, where'd the lid go? The Ask Your Guides Oracle cards. So we can get a nice reading for the week of May 29th. So we're going to start out with the Sacred Forest cards. I'm going to take the book out. And we are going to shuffle someone DM'd me and said I should take the cards out that were already pulled. Well, we're not going to do that because what if that lesson or guidance of the week wasn't finished? Maybe the same energy is carrying over into another week, right? Okay, so let's shuffle these. This is the Sacred Forest Oracle. Alright, so I'm going to fan them out. Let's see. Alright, what did we get? We got Reflecting Pull. The keyword is stillness. And it's number 55, I think. Alright, so we're going to put this one here on my laptop. Put the rest away. And can't really see that number. Okay, that's not the number. Oh, number 33. I'm sorry. I'm crazy. Alright, so it's going to be right there. I'm going to stick that card in there. Alright, we have the Moonology card. I already pulled it. It's the Gibbous Moon card. And it's the waxing one. So now we're going to take this deck. So let's shuffle it. I need one of those cameras that, like the double camera, that you can see what I'm doing. Whoop. I have stuff jumping out at us. I haven't used these in a while. You can see they're worn. Oh, one fell out. We're going to take it, right? It says Appreciation, Divine Helpers. And it's number 40. So let me put these cards back. We always take one that jumps out, right? Got the book. Stick it in there. All right, so let's start out with the moon. All right, today's moon phase is the waxing gibbous. And that's what it looks like. And it says you're very close to achieving your goal. It's pretty, like looking up through the pine trees. All right, so the word gibbous means bulging. What a descriptive word, right? And pulling this card at any time of the month suggests that the situation you're asking about is bulging with possibility and coming to a peak. But this isn't the ending card with a neat yes or no answer. Rather, you're being reminded that some adjustments may yet be required before you get what you want. Though you're certainly on the right track, which is hopefully reassuring to you. However, there is also a sense that the situation is a bit tense. So don't push too hard. One false move and the whole thing could blow. That's not meant to scare you. It's just to let you know there's a fuse attached to the situation. So be careful if you choose to light it. The teaching is the gibbous moon comes at the very end of the lunar cycle, just before the full moon. She looks like she's bulging because she's almost a full moon, so she's nearly fully rounded. It's the culmination of the waxing cycle, and as such tends to be a rather intense period of the month. No matter when you pull this card, it suggests a very ripe time and a very ripe situation. So that's the meaning of that card. And we'll go to the Sacred Forest card that we pulled, which is the Reflecting Pool. It's a pretty card. The key word is stillness. So, as you stand on the soft moss at the edge of a forest pool, you can see your own reflection. A soft breeze ripples the surface. Your image wavers and shifts, only to return as the air becomes still. In the quietude of this moment, you tap into the internal source of your power. You watch as your reflective image transforms into the highest form of you. What beauty and grace. In stillness, your power emerges. Tap into your inner sacred witness to discover the dwelling place of your soul. In profound peace and silence, you can discover the truth of your being. If you are in pain, go into the stillness until you find the source. Resist the temptation to indulge in feelings of overwhelm, urgency, and emergency. There is always a higher truth. Seek it out. Your soul loves what is real and honest. In quietude, the truth emerges. Move past the bustle and chatter of life into the sweet stillness. Allow the chaos of the outer world to roll off your back and the way water rolls off the back of a duck. Surrender to it. Seek solitude to hear the voice of spirit, and serenity will follow. The spirit of the reflecting pool says, in silence, you will find the dwelling place of your soul. Take time to move into the quietude, and you'll uncover the vast store of insight emerging within you. In ongoing situations in your life, hold back. Take time to reflect before responding. It's kind of weird that kind of goes with the gibbous moon, where it says, don't light the fuse, just hold back and, that's kind of cool, huh? Kind of all goes together. So now we're going to go to Sonia Croquette. I'm not sure if that's how you say her name. Ask the Guides, and the card we pulled was called Appreciation Divine Helpers, and that's what the card looks like. So the key words are family, collective, society, and community. Now is an important time to contemplate your place in the world. Pay attention to your influence on others and note that you're a big part of a community. Recognize your interactions with those around you and respect the fact that no matter how well you may succeed in your own, you must still depend on others in myriad ways for your comfort and security. You're aware of this every time you switch on a light and enjoy instant electricity, or turn on a faucet and have clean drinking water at your disposal. Your divine helpers are present to remind you to appreciate your fellow human beings and take nothing for granted. Recognize your need for others and the unspoken gifts they share with you. Move beyond your self-interest right now and participate in a common effort. Ask yourself how you might contribute to the greater good. Your divine helper's message is, be responsible for your part in the great scheme of things. Very nice. That's a pretty good message. I mean, and I can think of a few things that I kind of have on the back burner that I've been contemplating and kind of just sitting back and waiting, and maybe that's what I'm supposed to be doing. That's what I'm guided to do. I usually throw some Epsom salts in the bathtub, and I have this little meditation channel I follow where they do guided meditations, and I play it on my phone and just sit back with some candles on, and I turn the lights out in my bathroom and enjoy the guided meditation. I think a lot of times that's when my answers come to me, when I'm stressing over something or planning something. I like to sit, and going into the stillness is a good way to reset yourself and change your mood and lift yourself up out of, if you're depressed or worrying about something, try to distract yourself and go on a guided meditation that's, you know, to uplift you or whatever. Alright, we are at 15 minutes, and this mask is starting to dry out. It's a very nice mask, though. Feels good. So, that is my Magical Mask Monday for this week. I hope you enjoyed the Oracle cards, and I hope you have a lovely week, and I hope that you're able to work through anything that you're going through and get out there into the sunshine and enjoy summer. Well, the spring. Hopefully it's warm and sunny where you're at. Get out there and enjoy springtime activities, plant some flowers, start an herb garden, whatever it is that brings you joy. So, if please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of every time I upload. And until next week, we'll see you later. Bye.